Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 81 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight, we will be creating the Summer Midnight Manhattan. Tonight's cocktail is a sleek, savory, and sophisticated Black Manhattan that's going to round out the month of July. I hope you will enjoy this. To begin, we will be anchoring our build with 2 ounces of the Old Grandad 114 7-year single barrel. Sitting at 114 proof and 7 years of age, this bourbon brings some lovely oak notes, baking spices, and some luscious viscosity. We will be using 2 ounces of our Old Grandad. To provide some rich, velvety texture that's going to help carry all of these flavors of the cocktail throughout our palate, we will be using gum syrup. What I love about the gum syrup is its thick, luscious viscosity and that it's not overly sweet. We will use 1/4 of an ounce of this gum syrup. To construct the dark herbal foundation of our build, we will use Cynar 70. This is a high-proof Amaro that delivers a vegetal bite and truly grounds the cocktail in a traditional Black Manhattan structure. Now for the Cynar, we will use a 1/2 ounce. To layer a complex and savory kick into our Black Manhattan, we will be using Amargo de Chile. This will add a very authentic, yet sharp and earthy pepper finish that's going to lock in directly with our bourbon. Now we only need 1/4 ounce of the Amargo de Chile. For our bitters tonight, we will be using 2. First, we want to introduce a subtle cured leaf aroma with a dry, earthy smokiness that's going to deepen the savory components of this cocktail. For that, we will use a dash of the Turkish tobacco bitters. And to bring a rich, roasted nuttiness to directly tie back to our lovely Old Grandad bourbon here, we would do 1 dash of the black walnut bitters. That is our ingredients. We will now add ice, stir for about 20 seconds, and then it will be well chilled and integrated. I will rejoin you when that is completed. That is very well chilled now. We have a coupe glass here, and we will strain this directly into our coupe glass. I have an orange peel, which we will express over the top. I can't wait to try it. Well, those expressed orange oils are coming forward right away, of course. But I am getting notes from those bitters, the cured tobacco notes, as well as the black walnut. It's luscious. Cheers to the Summer Midnight Manhattan. Wow. This, first of all, it feels fantastic. All of these ingredients have a layer of lusciousness to them, which is just making it very viscous in my mouth and letting all these flavors play very well together. I get some baking spices right off the bat, caramel, and some lovely oak notes all coming from our bourbon. But then mid-palate, I start getting the Amaros. I'm getting these lovely vegetal notes from the artichoke Cynar 70, as well as some very light hints of the spice from the Amargo de Chile. The finish is long, warm, and slightly peppery, but there is nothing hot about this cocktail. It is truly fantastic for a lovely evening in the summertime. I hope you will join me next week when I will unveil our first cocktail for the month of August. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have the most amazing Thirsty Thursday. Please take a moment, spoil yourself a bit, and mix up the summer Midnight Manhattan. I think you will really enjoy it. Cheers.